Here are 4 more examples of rearranging an equation. And in this case, it's to make lambda the subject. So lambda often stands for the wavelength of a wave. For the first one, lambda is just going to be equal to v divided by f. So we've divided both sides by the frequency. For the next one, to get lambda on its own, we need to divide both sides by n. So that's equal to d sine theta over n. For the next one, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by s to say that lambda is equal to ws, and then we need to divide both sides by d. So we can do this in that one step. And then for the last one, again, to work out lambda, this is now going to be something where we've got to multiply both sides by d. So this is going to be equal to d theta in that case. And there we go, that's it. This is something you're going to have a lot of practice with right through the A-level course, because this is one of the first things that you do every time you have a calculation. You write down the equation and then you rearrange it. And if you'd like to have even more practice, I took all of these worked examples from my daily workout book 1, where I've got questions that are perfect for the start of the A-level course, with plenty of rearranging equations and practicing this essential skill that you've already learned at GCSE, and now we're going to be applying it for the rest of the A-level course. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.